Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sadie and today I'm going to be doing a full face try on and review of JOAH Cosmetics. If you don't know about JOAH Cosmetics, they're a company created by Kiss that's inspired by K-Beauty. They're sold exclusively by CVS and have a huge range of products, from lip products to contour, shadows, primers, you name it, they got it. They're relatively new and I was surprised at how big of a selection they had. It was actually really impressive. They do say that this line is available nationwide, and so I thought I would just give it a shot for you guys. I was sent a couple of products from them to review, but I wanted to do a full face of it to try out for you guys, so I went over and got it myself. So I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button. I would love some feedback because I am a new YouTuber, and so let's get started. Okay, so the first product I want to talk about from JOAH is their Radiance Primer. They came out with two primers. One is a moisturizing primer that's a little bit more hydrating and it has a more tacky base. And then this one that I picked up was actually the Radiance Primer. It really reminded me of the YSL Touche Clot Blur Primer, and so I decided to kind of see and compare. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to go in with is JOAH's BB cream. I generally don't do well with drugstore foundations. For some reason they really break me out, but I do think that JOAH makes a really fantastic BB cream. The finish is more of a natural your skin but better kind of look, and it's really beautiful. The coverage is really good. I really enjoy it. I have to say that one of the negatives about this product is the shade range. They only come in like 4 or 5 shades, and they run a little bit light. Go in with JOAH's Blush and Bronze palette. I have to say that this is my least favorite product. There is no pigmentation to it. It's very powdery and it just doesn't show up on your skin. There's 2 colors that it comes in. I believe this one is the Sunrise, which tends to pull warmer, and then there's Sunset, which is much cooler. So I got the Sunrise. It really didn't make that big of a difference, and I had to go in several times into this palette, and honestly I'd say save your money and get something better. Next I'm going to go in with the JOAH Birthday Suit eyeshadow palettes. They do have 2. There's a more kind of golden toned one. This is the Unveiled one, and I have to say that the shades in these eyeshadow palettes are pretty hit or miss. The more shimmery ones, they tend to be a little bit smoother, and the less shimmery ones are very powdery, and they're not very pigmented at all. I would say that I wish there were more matte shades. In this Unveiled one, there is one that's kind of matte. It's the shade Cappuccino, but again it's very powdery. And then in the Bare palette, kind of the more red, warm-toned one, there aren't any matte colors. So today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to go in with the Bare palette. I think the colors are prettier and they're more on trend for fall. Okay, so I have to say that I was extremely disappointed that JOAH didn't come out with an eyeshadow primer. I think that would have been a great product to include. my eyeshadow on, I'm going to go in with their eyeliners. I picked up two. The first one is the felt tip eyeliner, which I think is fantastic. The felt tip itself is pretty short, which I really like because it doesn't provide a lot of room for error, and I have to say that it does last all day. The second one that I picked up was the brush tip eyeliner, and I just like having a brush tip just for the wing. I can get really precise with it. So now that my eyeliner's on, I'm going to go in with JOAH's Precision Eyebrow Pencil. This is a dupe for Benefit's Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I would highly recommend this. My brows. Apparently I'm having a really hard time doing them today. I have to say that the brow products from JOAH are really one of their strong points. They have so many formulas that they can really make anyone happy. So they're all under $10 as well, and I think that's fantastic. The color selection isn't too warm, and I really like them. I highly
recommend them.
So the last product I'm going to go in with is JOAH's I'm Your Jelly Bay lipstick. Again, their lip lines are fantastic. They have so many formulas, so many colors, really gorgeous. So this is my final look. I hope you like it as much as I do. I think the colors are really pretty for fall, and I have to say that I will be using these again. My favorite products, to recap, are the Blur Primer. I think they're a fantastic dupe for the YSL Touche Clot Primer and save you some bank. The next product I really liked were the BB creams. Again, the downside is the color selection. I wish they came out with more. And finally, I think that I really liked the Jelly Bay. Even though the fragrance is kind of strong, I really like the color and I like the formulation. So yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you liked my video. Subscribe to my channel, and you know, since I am a new blogger, I would like to have some feedback if you have any for me in the comments. Bye, guys!